You see the Squid Game nails here? Completely made with Korean nail polish. So we have the gentle pink, tiny Korea, Mostive, Catwalk, Show Me, Mostive, Pochit, and D gel. So we will be going through each and one of these in my video.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing a Squid Game theme nail and we'll be going through step by step what products we'll be using. Most of the products are ordered directly from an Instagram seller shown on the screen. We do have it shipped directly from Korea to Canada and there are shipping charges. For more details, please see the description or watch one of my unboxing videos for more details.
This is Tiny Korea acid-free primer.
Please leave a comment below and let me know which nail is your favorite.
No, this is the G Jelly Base Gel. We're gonna use the overlay gel on top of the base coat to make it thicker. So right now we have used gentle pink, hot pink, for the thumb. Now we're using gentle pink.
The Gentle Pink collection is purchased through the Korean Gentle Pink website directly. And the colors used here are part of the 100 color set.
So just use the gentle pink white. Right now, this is the base for the one hand. Right now, using the D gel full painting in color 12. I wonder why they sell these like not in a full thing. Right now we are using color 83. Jin B 1110 or Jin B 110. D gel PJ008. This was the D gel 007. This is the Mostive Tweed Gel in black.
Here is the progress after drawing the tuxedo design.
This is the D gel red FP037 for the bloody design. Right now we're using this. Tiny Korea 041. To draw these little shapes, we used the gel 24 light blue, the gel light pink 18, and the gel Disney collection the Winnie the Pooh color.
Here is the progress after drawing the designs for the honeycomb room.
The business card texture. Mixing this color, I thought with the white tweed gel. Again, Mostive. Aurora powder from Pochit. And Hawaii glitter from Pochit. Tiny Korea bakings. I think it's a cooking set. It has lots of fibers inside. Tiny little fibers. It's perfect for the business card texture. This is matte top coat from Mostive. Came in the tweed gel collection. Now this is the matte finish.
So for the glossy finish on the honeycomb room design, left hand F gel top coat was used. Thank you for watching. If you would like to see a short summary of all the products used in this video, please take a look at my short video with the link at the top. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you next time.